In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the HubSpot user interface to effectively integrate video content into your email marketing strategy. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just stepping into the digital world, by the end of this guide, you'll feel more confident managing your email campaigns within HubSpot. First, let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot user guide. It's your main control center for all the features and functionalities HubSpot offers. To find the guide, simply head over to their website and locate the User Guide section. It's a great resource for helpful tips and detailed instructions on how to maximize the platform's potential. Once you're there, you'll be ready to take the next step. In the User Guide, you will spot an option titled Marketing. By clicking on Marketing, you open the portal to managing all your marketing-related activities. It's like the launchpad for your digital engagements and is key if you want to drill down into specific areas like email and social media campaigns. Once you're in the marketing section, direct your attention to the Email tab. Clicking here will allow you to manage all your email marketing efforts. This is where the magic of connecting your audience with your content begins. HubSpot organizes everything intuitively, so navigating through will become second nature with time. Now that you've accessed the email section, you'll want to click on the New Email option. This is where you start crafting those impactful messages that will reach your audience directly. By selecting New Email, you begin the process of creating a new campaign, which is both exciting and crucial for engagement. You'll then want to take your email to the next level by incorporating video content. Find the video option and give it a click. Videos are a powerful way to enhance any email, making your message more dynamic and engaging. It allows you to convey messages in a more interactive and memorable manner, effectively capturing your audience's attention. The next step involves adding your video to the email. Look for the Add Video URL section. Here, you'll be able to input the URL of the video you wish to include. Make sure your video is hosted on a stable platform like YouTube or Vimeo, as this will ensure smoother performance and accessibility. Adding videos to your emails can significantly boost your engagement metrics, as they often increase click-through rates by appealing visually and emotionally to your audience. And that's it! With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to integrate video into your HubSpot emails effectively. Keep in mind, as with any marketing strategy, it's important to monitor the impact by referencing your analytics and adjusting your approach based on the data you gather over time. So, gear up to make your email campaigns more vibrant and engaging with the power of video. Happy marketing!